Today we're going to be talking about something which in my opinion is not talked enough about. Today we're going to be talking about automated trading, AI trading bots, which can make you money, of course, with risks included. But it's honestly an amazing project which we'll be getting into today. And if you want to learn more about it, let's not waste any more of our time and jump straight into it. So today we are on UTrading. UTrading is a part of a broader UChain ecosystem, which also includes products like UWallet and UCard, which is a crypto card and a crypto wallet, UCN coin, which offers staking network resources. But you don't really need to know that before you get into UTrading, because this is the most lucrative opportunity, in my opinion, which is being held on the ecosystem. So what is this all about? Basically, on UTrading, you can get your own trading bots and make profit with UTrading. Now, what do they mean by that? So their bots average annual performance is 150%, which is crazy. But of course, guys, I do need to hit you with disclaimers that this, of course, is not some sort of a money printer right here. Of course, this is not a financial or investment advice. These bots carry their own personal risks, because you can't just buy a simple bot and just print up money in the crypto space. It's very volatile. Of course, you will have some drawdowns, but you will also get some profits too. Of course, it is solely dependent on market conditions and how you will, of course, correct your bot, but it's more profitable from what they have tested rather than, of course, unprofitable, right? But of course, I can't advise you guys on that stuff. I'm doing this only for, of course, entertainment and information purposes. So again, enough of the disclaimers. Let's see what this is all about. Basically, here we can see their top 100 rated bots. So as you can see, people are making $200 weekly, 1.5k weekly. We have $3,600 in total, and this is for their medium bot, right? So basically, we have different bots. We have the little bot, star bot, basic bot, medium bot, and all of this goes up to the whale bot. No whale bots are currently live or active, because of course these cost a lot, but of course they are also generating a lot of profits, and you'll understand what I mean by this in just a second. As you can see, we have a lot of different results right here, so we'll be getting into how those work in just a minute. But of course, before we get into the bots too, we need to, of course, clarify that this is all secure on their platform. Now, what do they mean by that? Well, their bot does not have the ability to withdraw funds from your account or the exchange. Now, what does this mean? Basically, how this works is the bot hooks up to your exchange, such as MEX, BingX, or HDX, right? You basically hook up with API keys, and those API keys have only permissions to move capital into trades rather than move it out from the account, so they cannot physically withdraw your money from your exchange. So of course, you are safe with UTrading. They have revoked their bots from such permissions, so you don't need to worry about that. And they also have a performance tab right here, your performance, your profit, how much you'll be able to make with their bots. We'll talk about this too in just a second. But again, integration with BingX, MEX, and HDX, basically all you need to do is just register on the exchange, create your API key, spot section only. Again, this bot also trades only on spot. They do not trade perps. Top up your spot balance, activate your bot with created API keys, and finally check the profit. Of course, sounds very, very simple, right? But of course, it indeed is. And their strategy is based off many years of trading experience. So how this works, step-by-step trading pair. Their bots work with pairs such as BTC USD and UCN USDT. Currently, the bot only works with BingX, MEX, and HDX exchanges. About their bot, it's free to use. You can choose any bots for trading. Each bot has its own basic parameters: minimum order size, minimum deposit size for bot activation, and recommended deposit size. Then all you need to do is purchase a performance pack, and if you need your more profit, just upgrade your performance pack. But of course, you'll get more details later as we hop into the dashboard. Then you can also balance top up. For each bot license, you have to top up your balance on BingX, MEX, or HDX exchanges to needed amount. Bot can make profit from thin air, which of course is logical. The recommended deposit amount as well as the minimum deposit for activating the bot is indicated directly on the bot itself. Then if you want more bots, you can activate no more more than 20 bots, and you can track your bots with their friendly interference for each bot. So finally, we are here on the dashboard, and as you can see, we have a little bit of info coming out on all of our sides right here, but don't worry, I'll explain it all in just a second. So basically, the first thing that you need to look at is your available performance, right? Currently, we have $389 of available performance. Now, what does this mean? Basically, this means the amount of profit my bots can make. So I can't physically make more than $389 out of my bots, no matter which bot I use, right? But if I want to increase my profits, then I just need to increase my performance. If you go right here, you can see the different performance packs right here listed: air, light, little, 300, 320. I currently have the performance pack 300, and my performance is up to 300%, and the performance in USDT is $389. So this costs 110 euros to purchase. So basically, by this logic, again, you are tripling your money, but of course the risks are here. You may as well be able to lose some of your balance too. There is no guarantee that you will be purchasing this package and then just instantly tripling your money. Of course, the risks are here, but of course, with every opportunity to make money comes its own risks. But as you can see, the packages go up to 11,000 euros, where your performance is increased by 500%, and the performance in USDT is 64,000 for, again, 11,000 euros, right? So you can tailor whatever performance pack you want with your own budget, with your own, of course, risk factors. But once you have the performance pack set, what you need to do is just basically add a bot. Let's delete this right now. Basically, you will see that you haven't set up any UTrading bots yet. Then what you need to do is just click add bots and see which bot is, of course, best tailored to your own situation. Now this part is added in, but I just wanted to clarify with you guys that, for example, if you will be using the basic bot trader, the minimum order amount is $50 and the minimum deposit amount is $648, and the recommended deposit amount is $6,482. Now the beauty of the bots is that they only sell at a profit and can't make a losing trade, meaning that these bots differ from all of the others in the market. They operate without time limits, only until they reach the target profits. So this is awesome in my opinion, and the minimum deposit amount simply exists due to technical limitations. Basically, there's a minimum amount the bot can trade with, and it's written right here in front of you guys. So again, it's up to you how much you're going to be depositing. The recommended deposit is made by the team, and the minimum deposit amount is, of course, set for the technical limitations, right? And again, please understand that these bots are different because they don't operate with any time limits, and they only sell again at a profit and can't literally make a losing trade. So that's very awesome. So for example, if we select the little bot, which is the first bot, which we can see, we just click add bot right here, confirm, and of course we can also see what pairs it trades in. So again, USCN, BTC, and Ultima. Then we can see that our bot is sitting up right here, and again, we can add up to 20 bots. We can add whatever bot we want. We can add the whale bot, but of course the minimum deposit is over $1 million, so there are not a lot of whale bots running around right now, because of course this much capital is hard to achieve in your exchange. But anyways, once you have the bot added, what do you need to do is just basically click to activate the bot. Then what do you need to do is select your exchange which you will be using in order to deposit your funds to. So for example, if I'll be using BingX, I'll also need to select the trading pair. So let's go with USCN, USDT. Click continue, then enter our API keys, secret keys, and the permitted IP is already set, right? Once we enter those, we click save data, and we'll have our bot working and running. And of course, we don't even need to check the dashboard. We can just go ahead on our BingX exchange and see the profits directly there. Of course, on their native dashboard, they are calculating all of the performance right here. But again, remember that, of course, the bots do not have permission to withdraw your money from the exchange. And of course, all of the info will also be displayed right here, but you can also track all of the results real time from the exchange that you are using. So again, this automatic trading platform is, in my opinion, a very interesting idea in the crypto space. You have all of the control over funds. You have the different performance packs which you can tailor to your budget. Of course, you don't need anything basically to get started, only a couple of bucks. And again, this all is automated. So again, you guys need to understand that you won't be needing to allocate all of your time by sitting at a trading terminal. All you'll need to do is, of course, just hook up a few bots and let them do the work for you. But again, guys, you need to realize that if you will be getting into this, there are risks associated. So of course, this is not only a 100% win strategy with them. Of course, there are risks included, and bots can also lose you money because it is all dependent on market conditions, but their strategy is of course proven to be profitable long term. So if you do want to get into this, I also will be leaving in the description a special offer from UTrading. So if you will be using my link, you'll get a $100 gift for your performance pack that'll help you start using the bot quickly and test UTrading in practice. So again, that's about it for the video. Let me know what you think about this one down below in the comments. I hope that you liked it. I'm pretty sure that UTrading will be relative to most of you guys which are watching this video, of course, because trading crypto is difficult, it's time consuming, and UTrading is literally solving all of those issues for us in real time. So again, thanks for tuning in to another one of the videos, and as always, I'll make sure to catch you in the next one.